Cats are fascinating creatures, and many people consider them to be mysterious and unpredictable. If you're a cat owner, you might be curious about your feline friend's personality and how you can get to know them better. In this video, we'll discuss some tips and tricks for revealing your cat's character. Spend time observing your cat. The first step in getting to know your cat's personality is to spend time observing them. Cats are creatures of habit, so take note of their daily routines, what they like to do, and how they interact with you and other members of your household. Try to pay attention to their body language, facial expressions, and vocalizations. Are they playful and energetic, or do they prefer to nap all day? Are they affectionate or more independent? By watching and listening to your cat, you can start to get a sense of their unique personality. Play with your cat. Playing with your cat is not only a fun bonding experience, but it's also a great way to reveal their character. Some cats are more playful than others, and different cats have different preferences when it comes to toys and games. Try a variety of toys, such as feather wands, crinkle balls, and laser pointers, to see what your cat enjoys the most. Pay attention to how your cat plays, whether they like to chase and pounce, or if they prefer to bat toys around. This can give you insights into their personality and what they find stimulating. Provide different environments. Cats are sensitive to their environment, and the spaces they live in can influence their mood and behavior. Providing your cat with different environments can help you understand their character better. For example, create a cozy hiding spot with a box or blanket, or set up a window perch where they can watch birds and squirrels. You can also offer different textures and surfaces for your cat to explore, such as a scratching post or a fluffy rug. By creating a variety of environments, you can see how your cat reacts and what they prefer. Interact with your cat. Interacting with your cat is an excellent way to reveal their character. Cats have unique ways of communicating with their owners, such as headbutting, kneading, and meowing. Respond to your cat's cues and see how they react. Some cats may be more vocal and demanding, while others may be more reserved. You can also try grooming your cat, as this can be a bonding experience and help you understand their personality. Pay attention to how your cat responds to your touch, whether they enjoy being brushed or prefer to be left alone. Seek professional help. If you're having trouble understanding your cat's behavior, seeking professional help from a veterinarian or animal behaviorist can be beneficial. These experts can provide guidance and insight into your cat's personality and behavior, and offer advice on how to improve your relationship with your pet. They can also help you address any issues, such as aggression or anxiety, that may be affecting your cat's behavior. In conclusion, getting to know your cat's personality takes time and patience, but it's well worth the effort. By observing your cat, playing with them, providing different environments, interacting with them, and seeking professional help, you can reveal your cat's character and deepen your bond with your feline friend.